Share your screen with your audience. Click share your browser. Oh, okay, fine. For skilled worker visa, how long it takes? If you applied inside UK, about 8 weeks. Applied entry clearance, spouse visa. I answered that. Okay, applied for DEC, fast track, still waiting. Fast track for spouse visa. Not sure what is the issue. I hope you have made sure you meet all the financial requirement, etc. If you have filed it through a lawyer, maybe check with them to follow up. But 8 weeks is 8 weeks calendar time should be sufficient, which is 30 working days for priority fast track. So Nishit, I apply ILR and my partner is illegal. We can do marriage here and she can change her status. You can do marriage here, but she cannot be able to change status. She will have to go back to her home country and then apply. So that is the answer. Tramadol. My sister was given a 10-year ban. What can she do? Sorry, the 10-year ban, there is not much solutions in that. Rima, please, I can come to UK with student visa. Okay, my mic is working fine. Please, I came to UK with student visa, but I didn't go and my visa was cancelled. Is there any switch? Sorry, no switch possible. You have overstayed your leave. So, do you have any kind of job? Sorry, I don't provide jobs. I'm sorry. I'm a dependent. I'm trying to bring my children, but no more. Okay, anyone joining live on YouTube? Members only. This live is YouTube members only and open to everyone on TikTok. You can ask their questions on TikTok. Also, please do become a subscriber and support our channel. It's just the price of a coffee for you, but it does support our channel, and we will answer any subscribers' questions within 24 hours on TikTok. Okay. So what child? I'm a dependent and trying to bring my children, but I'm no more with their biological father. Dependent, trying to bring. So you are a dependent, bring your children, but no more with their biological father. So you are a dependent of X, but you want to bring children who are the children, and the father is Y. No longer. I think. Can you clarify your question? You are a dependent of whom? Let me have the facts correct, then it's much better to answer. Okay, Safina, follow up with your immigration lawyer. Maybe they should follow up with Home Office. We do usually, if it is we are dealing, we do escalate it internally to the Home Office seniors and get it sorted. Yeah, this tree being delayed. This tree being delayed. I don't know that. That means okay. Questions coming through very fast. Refuse them twice. So no working. What do I do for my sister coming here? Sorry, cannot answer that. I am on a skilled worker visa. I do work in this company. It is possible. I am indefinitely 5 years. Okay. What is the question, Aman? Cam. My cousin sister has been scammed on care worker visa route. Spent 18K. Very depressed. Sorry for those scammers and all. Please report to the police. I cannot answer those things here. So thanks for the answer. But if you have a baby here, British, then you can say status without going. Yes. So, Nishit, if your partner is an overstayer and you both have a child and the child will get British citizenship through you anyways, then yes, you can. She can apply for under the parent partner visa with the parent exception, but she will get it on the 10-year route to settlement. So a lot of costs, 10 years to wait for ILR. So that is the catch that you have. Or she can switch subsequently, but then you have the switching cost again to the 5-year route. How many chat screenshots do I need to provide? Chat screenshots. There is no specific rule. Anything between, I would say, cover one screenshot for every month, covering up to 2 years. That's what I can say. Mrs. Ali, When our work permits, visas, BRP. When can we go outside the UK with our? So you mean with our work permit BRP? Yes, you can leave the UK and enter the UK with your BRP if you have a work permit BRP. Sorry, I'm trying to catch up with the questions. Many questions coming through. So anyone joining, please do support our channel by becoming a subscriber. We reply to subscribers' questions within 24 hours. It's just a price of a coffee for you, but it supports our channel. Okay. When work permit. Okay. So drivers key. I'm a new entrant. I'm getting calls from care company, not for care assistant. What should be? Sorry, salary calculations. Please book a proper advice with the immigration lawyer. I cannot do the numbers over here, but it should be at least 23,200, I think. Yeah, but book with an immigration lawyer or book a consultation with us. Okay, Jad, I have a student visa. Okay, visa. So how can change my student visa to another visa like asylum? You cannot change your student visa to asylum visa. How about processing time in 20 years application? Any way to speed up like MP letter? No, you cannot speed up. It goes up to 12 months or so for the 20-year long residence, overstays, etc. My owner don't let me go. I'm not sure what you mean. My appeal withdrawn by Home Office and they send letter for from pre-appeal review unit. Withdrawn by Home Office. I don't think Home Office can withdraw your appeal. Speak to your immigration lawyer. Those are complicated matters. Need to be all the facts need to be taken properly. I can't find that info on the website. Ask, ask your solicitors to follow up, Safina. They should follow up with Home Office if it is beyond that timeline of processing. There should be some issue maybe. I have a president 20 years. No, that's done. So, Kiria, we appealed for adopted daughter from India and got refused in the first tire. How long can we appeal? If the permission to appeal has been given, when the decision is given, it is in the determination letter of the first tire tribunal whether you can appeal further or not. So, if that allows you, you can do it. Okay, mom, share. I've got visitor visa for 10 years. Can I open a business in here and buy the house? No, you cannot. Sorry. Okay. Can you tell me on soccer 746 dependent allowed or not? 6145, 6146. Yeah, the SOC have changed to 6135 and 6136. Not those were under 2010 SOC. They are not allowed if you're applying for the first time. Dependents are not allowed. So what's going on? You can also pay more for them. An answer. Nowadays, how long spouse visa priority service? Priority service spouse visa about 30 working days, 6 to 8 weeks. Plus criminal record effect visa. Yes, criminal record effects visa. Go and get a visa. How often can you go get a visa from UK to another country? UK to another country. I cannot advise on other countries. Sorry. Okay, many questions coming through. So this is already given BRP parent to two kids born here, no status, four and one for visa for them. Born here, yes, you can apply for maybe dependent visas for them depending on what category you are on. Parent root and two kids born here. Yes, you can apply for them as your dependents. Janice, I got my visa stamps on passports after 6 months. I got ILR. Will government count from visa date or ILR date? Visa date. You got visa stamp. I don't understand. You got a visa stamp for ILR. Can you clarify what that is? Then I can answer. Sorry, I don't do Australian visas. Is it better to apply as a spouse in country or leave as an overstay? Leave and apply from outside. We've done many successful spouse visa applications who have been overstayers. The overstay will not be counted against you. Okay, next. In 23-24, we don't have any chats info for 8 months. I don't think chat is the only thing they are going to look at. They're going to look at all the evidence together. That 8 months of chat, you don't have to worry. You can explain in your covering letter as to why there are no chat history, but that should be fine. I don't see any reason that if you don't have chat for 8 months, they are going to refuse. Nothing like that. The immigration changes. How long is spouse? Okay, that's done. Life is okay. And the students wish to. Okay, many questions coming through. Yeah, if there are any subscribers, you can subscribe and put your questions, and I'll try and prioritize them. But I'm trying to take as many as possible. Many are coming through. Okay, this is done. I'm British by naturalization. My baby born outside. Will he be British outside naturalization? Yes, he will be British provided. Yes, you had naturalization, so your baby will be British who is born outside the UK. After all, I'm allowed to apply for visiting visa for my parents. I don't know what you mean by that. You can apply anytime. Where do you base at? In London. So our offices are in London. Mostly our job work is done remotely. Almost 99% of our work is done remotely. Video calls, cloud sharing, and everything. Everything digital. Okay. What criminal records? My brother got married in Bangladesh. He wants to bring his wife. Yeah, he can bring his wife. There is no issue with that if he's got married and if they meet all the requirements. Umair, can students switch to tier 2 after CAD ended? Do you mean CAS and date ends? No degree? Yes, provided you have completed your course of study, not withdrawn from college, attended everything, and you may have failed. That doesn't matter. I am a British national. Okay, that is answered. At a surgery while an overstay, do you need to state this when applying for new visa? Yes, maybe. You should not lie on visa applications. I would advise against that. I'm still waiting for decision. How long? Fewer days, maybe take maybe 12 months or more. They are just counting. They are just not deciding any fewer applications. People have got fed up and arranged the funds and then they pay the fees and get the application decided. That's what I've seen. Fewer applications are taking a long time, maybe more than years. Any sponsor job available? No, I don't have any sponsor jobs available. With the, how long is spouse visa taking after biometrics? Sponsorship visa, spouse visa after biometrics, standard service 6 months, priority 30 working days. Okay. Do I need a visa to visit the UK? Yes, you do need a visa to visit the UK if you are a visa national. It depends on your passport, not on the green card. Okay. The question, I don't know. How much is the visiting visa? Yeah, I cannot give fees information over here. Just Google search for visit visa and you'll get that. Amir, 2.5 years on 10-year route and 2.5 years on 5-year route. Can combine for ILR after 5 years? No, you cannot. Any grace period for expired tourist visa? No grace period for expired tourist visa. How can I inform office about my divorce? Google search for report relationship breakdown UKVI. You should get the form and fill up the form and report relationship breakdown or a divorce. My viewer got accepted in 22, but I'm still waiting for a decision. Yeah, from 22, 23, 24. Yeah, 12 months or so would be may take time after the viewer got approved, but more than 12 months, I think maybe you should follow up with the Home Office or the lawyer should, whoever has done the application. Okay, Kenyan passport. Yes, you need a UK visa, I think so. Google search for Appendix V, visitor visa. There should be a list of countries. Not sure on top of my head when whether Kenya needs a visa. Sorry, asylum waiting times. I don't know much. I don't do. I have done. I don't do legal aid work. I'm sorry. I cannot. I know I do practice that, but I don't do legal aid, so I'm not updated on asylum timelines as of today. If someone is visiting London, they end up marrying a British citizen. Will they get British visiting London? They will not get British citizenship now just by marrying. They have to go through the whole spouse visa of 5 years, go outside the UK, apply for it, and then they at some point they may get become British citizenship, not just by marrying someone on a visitor entry or visa. So what if I don't meet the new income requirements for spouse? Is there any other options? Yeah, it is difficult if you don't meet the financial requirement for the spouse visa. Okay, many questions are coming through. I'll stay live for about 8 minutes now. Then I may have to end this live. I have a call to attend. I try to answer some questions. If you have any questions offline, maybe become a subscriber and send us the questions. Then we may be able to prioritize an answer within 24 hours. Applied for asylum. Sorry, no asylum interpretation here. My father children is not British. But can, but they are. Please clarify the question. Could you please kindly tell me the rules regarding the switch of certificate of sponsorship? There is no switching of certificate, nothing called as switching of certificate of sponsorship. Please clarify what you mean. Sorry, many questions coming through. If you are asking a question, try to ask everything in one line, in one question. It's difficult for me to connect them. How do I extend child application if I'm visa into UK on this visa? Yeah, for extending and all, please take proper immigration advice from an immigration lawyer or book a consultation with us. Then he applied for student visa, is unemployed for 5 years back home. Yeah, there are a lot of student visa requirements. He should have a university admission and all. If he qualifies, then he may apply. I'm on healthcare visa. My salary is a bit less than expected. Should I worry? Currently, Home Office only needs, if you apply for ILR, Home Office only needs latest payslip. So if your latest payslip is meeting the requirement, maybe it should be fine. But then in future, the ILR rules may change if you are paid less than what has been confirmed on the cost. FLR family route partner standard application 5 year route. Is it inside UK or outside UK? Please clarify. Cannot answer Cyprus visa questions. DVA. Okay, I really cannot keep up with the questions. Many questions are coming through. I'm trying to catch them, but yeah, I may have to end this live. If you have any questions, I do this live every Tuesday. I will try to answer any last ones that I see, but every Tuesday I have this live. If you have any questions after I'm offline, do become a subscriber and ask those questions, even on this live. any subscriber ask a question, we will prioritize that. So